In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a lower engine torque strut mount on a Nissan Maxima. This is located behind the right front wheel. Let's get started. Now let's remove our front wheel. We'll be using a 21mm socket to remove the 5 lug nuts. Now that our wheel's off, we're going to locate our mount right next to the axle and this transmission line. First, we're going to remove these two 10mm bolts up top, holding the line down. So break them loose. Now for the other 10mm. Now lift the line up out of its bracket and set it aside. Now let's remove our two rear 16mm bolts. Break them loose. Now for our front bolt, I'll be using an extension and a swivel on our socket. Now for our front 18mm bolt connecting to the engine. Now we can remove the mount out of the vehicle. Now work your free and pull up. And maneuver it out of the vehicle. And there it is. Now for our new mount, I'm going to put it in place first. Make sure it goes over the line. install it on the engine side. Now we're going to install our engine side bolt first. So insert it. And snug it down. Now for our 3 chassis side bolts. For this last bolt, I'm going to go under the vehicle to make installation easier. Now let's snug down all of our chassis side bolts. Now I'm going to torque our chassis side bolts down to 53 foot-pounds. Now we're going to torque our engine side bolt to 53 foot-pounds as well. Now for our 10mm mounting bolts. Hand thread them on first. Same for the bottom one. And now snug them down. Now reinstall your wheel and take the vehicle for a road test, and thanks for watching. Now let's reinstall our wheel. I'm going to hand thread on my 5 21mm lug nuts. I'm going to snug these down in a crisscross pattern. Now we're going to torque these to 83 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.